Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and what you are hearing right now is the brand new Rode microphone VideoMicro 2 ultra compact on camera microphone. And the really cool thing about this microphone right here is that not only can it be used for a regular camera like what you see right here, got my Sony ZV-1, but you can also use it for your smartphone like you see right here. Currently recording on my smartphone. And another cool thing about this microphone is that it's basically just plug and play. It doesn't need a battery. You don't need to charge it up or anything like that. You just plug it in and it's ready to go. Now, a few things that do come in the box with this microphone are, of course, the microphone itself. You get one Helix isolation mount, one TRS to TRS cable, one TRS to TRRS cable, one foam windshield, and one furry windshield like what you see right here. So depending on how strong the wind is outside, if you do happen to be recording outside, you got two windshields to get the job done. And this microphone is actually going to be perfect for vloggers. It's nice and compact. I mean, it's in the name, ultra compact on camera microphone. So it's going to be perfect for vloggers because, I mean, it's easy to travel with. I mean, hey, you could fit this thing in your pocket if you really wanted to. But I mean, you don't only have to use it for vlogging. You can use it for tons of other types of videos. I'm just saying, because of how nice and compact it is, it's going to be very convenient for vloggers. And we'll go ahead and test it out in certain scenarios. So right now, of course, I am in a small office space. It is a little bit echoey in here, so not sure how the microphone is picking that up, if it's picking up a lot of the echoing or if it's picking up my voice more over that. So y'all can let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Again, this is a small office space. Let's go ahead and take it out to a more open area here in the house, and then we'll head outside and see how well it does outside, maybe with some cars driving by. We'll go ahead and try out both windshields as well. All right, so we are now out in a more open area, as you can see here, currently in my living room in the house. Got the Christmas tree back there all set up and ready to go. But what do y'all think? It's going to have a more open sound, probably a more echoey sound, you know, compared to my small office area. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Testing, 1, 2, 3. What do y'all think? Currently using my Rode Microphones Vlogger Kit. So if you're not only interested in this microphone, which I will have linked down in the description below, but if you are also interested in this Vlogger Kit that I am currently using right now, I'll have that link down in the description below as well. But what do y'all think? This new VideoMicro 2 ultra compact microphone in this open area in the house right here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead and head outside and test it out there. We got a slight breeze going on, so we will actually be able to test out each windshield, and we'll also walk by some driving cars as well. But let's go ahead and head outside. All right, so I have made my way outside, as you can see here, in a nice big open space right here. What do y'all think? Currently using the foam windshield. The breeze has kind of went down a little bit. As you can see, the leaves aren't even really moving, but we'll try out both windshields anyways, just to see if it will change up the sound. Another cool thing about this microphone is that Helix isolation mount. So if you're walking on a bumpy road or a bumpy sidewalk, or maybe you're running, it's going to help reduce that noise of the shakiness that can be going on, you know, when running or doing any heavy movement or anything like that. So that's another cool thing about this microphone. Currently have a crow here in the background making some noise, so not sure if the microphone is picking that up or not, or if it's picking up my voice over that. But what do y'all think? Again, we are outside. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Let me go and switch up the windshields really quick. All right, so I now have the furry windshield on. I do got to say, it is covering the screen a little bit, but that's okay because I can still see myself, but it definitely looks a lot bigger on there. But what do y'all think? Does it change up the quality of sound, the quality of my voice coming through the microphone? Let me know what y'all think. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Again, this is that furry windshield. As you can see, I got the foam one right here in my hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my pocket. But again, what do y'all think? We've tried out a small office area. We've tried out, you know, the bigger part of the house, a more open area, and now we are outside. So what do y'all think about the overall quality of this microphone? Let me know down in the comments. All right, so there you have it, the new VideoMicro 2 ultra compact microphone from Rode Microphones. What are your overall thoughts? Let me know down in the comment sections below if you do find yourself interested in this microphone right here. I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below. And also, if you're interested in the Vlogger Kit that I was using, as you can see, the microphone fits right up top. If you're interested in this for your smartphone, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below as well. But again, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.